What's up people of the world? This is Big Steve, Pinoy Cowboy, and today's video wala muna tayong kantahan kundi exercise. Alam nyo guys, mahilig talaga mag-exercise. Tamad lang ako pumunta sa gym. So anyway, i-share ko sa inyo yung ginagamit kong resistant band training today. So eto yun guys, no? So try lang naman natin for 90 days guys. Eto, susubukan natin kung ano magiging resulta sa atin. So anyway, we're going to start day 1 today with this resistance band training. Alright, so for day 1, gagawin natin yung chest and shoulder workout. Alright, so stand by guys. Unang workout natin para sa yung chest is yung decline press. Alright? So, ganito lang gagawin ko dyan. So, nakikita nyo, 5 bands yung nilagay ko, no? So, isasabit ko lang yan dito. Isa sa mga handle ng ating pull-up frame. So, napaka-sturdy niyan guys. Nakadikit yan sa pader. So, yan na yung ginagamit ko. Instead, eto. Alright. Decline press. So, papakiramdaman nyo lang yung tension nung ating resistance band. So, by the way nga pala guys, kiniklaim nung resistance band na to na iba gauge nung tension nung isang band. So, sa tingin ko guys, hindi naman. Kasi parang ang pakiramdam ko actually ang isang resistant band, parang nagko-consist lang siya ng 5 pounds na tension bawat isa. So, kinabit ko ngayon 5. Alright, so let's do the first chest workout natin, yung ating decline press. So, it looks something like this. So, ganyan lang. Sabi ko kanina, papakiramdaman mo lang yung tension kung hanggang saan. Kasi, pagka sinagat mo siya guys, talaga mag-i-snap yan. So, kailangan nyo pa rin pakiramdaman yung tension. Hindi porket na sinasabi nila na may yung yung poundage ng resistance band. Kailangan, syempre, papakiramdaman mo rin at saka kung hanggang saan yung tension. No? Kasi otherwise, mag-i-snap talaga yan. Alright, okay. Let's do this. So, something like this. So, downward press lang yan. So, yan yung equivalent ng decline bench press. So, sa resistance band. So, pushing downward. Alright? So, kailangan nyo talagang pakiramdaman na nag-workout yung chest nyo, no? Otherwise, kung mali yung form, tatama yan sa shoulder instead na sa chest. Alright, so right now, lower part ng chest ang tinatamaan dito sa decline press using this decline press. Okay? Yeah, ganyan lang. Diba? So, hindi naman natin masyado kailangan yung masyadong mabigat. Ang purpose lang naman natin actually is yung stamina, endurance, at saka especially yung mobility. Lalo na napakaganda nito guys, dun sa mga nag-uumpisa, gusto mag-workout na tamad sa gym. Gaya ko, tamad ako pumunta sa gym. Kaya eto, nagre-resistance band training tayo. Alright. So, sa ganito, gagawin natin 3 to 4 set na 10 to 12 repetition. Alright? So, ganyan lang. Alright guys, so second chest exercise natin is yung decline chest dip. Alright, so ang gagawin nyo lang guys, no? Reverse grip lang yung gagamitin natin. Tapos yung reverse grip, ganyan, and then mag-bend lang tayo ng konti, and then let's start na mag-dip, going downward motion. Alright, okay, it's something, it goes something like this, ganyan. So yan yung pinaka equivalent ng normal na dip. So, ganyan ang itsura pag nagdi-dip kayo sa ating resistance band. Alright? So, ganyan yung pinaka closest, second best thing na magagawa nyong exercise na dip sa ating resistance band. Diba? So, mapi-feel mo talaga na tumatama sa ilalim ng ating chest. Alright? So, pakiramdaman nyo guys, no? So, pagka mali yung form, tatama yan instead na sa chest nyo, sa shoulder guys. Alright. So, the same thing, gagawin nyo siya ng 3 to 4 set ng 8 to 10 repetition. Alright? That's the second chest workout natin. So as you can see kanina, nasa taas nakalagay itong resistance band natin. Ngayon, iniba natin yung position. Ngayon, nasa chest height na natin, no? Ay lang susunod na chest workout natin, chest press, gagawin natin dito sa ating resistance band. Alright. That would be the third workout for our chest. Okay? So, the same thing then, gagawin nyo siya ng 3 to 4 set at saka 8 to 12 repetition. Alright? Let's get it on. Alright, chest press. Always try to make sure na pakiramdaman yung tension ng ating bands. Okay, hanggang saan yung kanyang effectiveness, no? Kasi yun importante din para ma-maximize nyo talaga yung workout nyo sa ating chest. Alright, okay? So, ito yung regular na chest press. Makikita nyo, simpleng-simple lang, no? Kung kanina sinet up natin yung ating resistance band sa taas, ngayon nasa chest level. Makikita nyo, di ba? Alright. Okay. Ganyan lang ang ating chest press gamit ang resistance band. Alright? Woo! Alright. Talagang nararamdaman ko na, guys. Woo! Alright. Alright, yung pang-apat natin na chest workout with the resistance band training ay chest flies, guys. And of course, tandaan nyo guys, no? Don't forget, after set nyo, at least magpahinga kayo ng mga 30 seconds guys, no, before mag-continue sa bagong set. Alright, okay? Chest flies goes something like this. Alright, so i-feel nyo yung tension at saka yung stretch ng inyong chest. Napaka-importante ma-feel nyo yung contraction, no? Alright, okay, so it goes something like this. Chest flies. Yeah. Woo! Talaga naman. Feel na feel. Alright? Okay. Feel na feel ko na ang ngalay. Alright. Chest flies. The same thing. 3 to 4 set. 8 to 12 repetition. And after set, make sure magpahinga kayo ng at least 30 seconds, guys, before proceeding. Alright. Chest flies. Woo! I can feel the burn, guys. Woo! 3 more. Woo! Woo! Two more. Squeeze. Alright. Alright guys, chest exercises are complete. Let's proceed naman sa ating shoulder. Unang exercise para sa ating shoulder, of course, yung shoulder press. Okay, shoulder exercise number 1, shoulder press. Alright, simple lang, di ba? Yan. Alright, okay, the same thing, no? Gagawin natin siya ng 3 to 4 set ng 8 to 12 repetitions. Alright, okay. So kung nasisimplehan kayo dyan guys, pwede nyong gawing much intense yan. Ganito gagawin nyo guys, no? Ayan. Woo! Alright. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo maging mas intense pa ang inyong shoulder press, gawin nyo ganyan. Alright. Woo! I can feel my shoulder burning. Ayan. Woo! Dagdagan natin siya ng bands. And of course, huwag niyo makakalimutan guys, no? Every set, magpahinga kayo ng at least 30 seconds guys. Alright. Shoulder press. Last thing. Alright guys, second na shoulder workout natin, front raises guys, and it goes something like this. Let's get it on. Front raises guys, no? Alright, so nga pala guys, no? Gagamitin nyo siya ng ganyan, tatapakan nyo guys, make sure na may sapin, no? Kasi pag nag-contact yan sa surface ng, halimbawa nito, rough surface ng sahig, ayan, baka siya maputol or mag-snap, no? So, much better kung gagamitin nyo siya ng ganyan, tatapakan nyo. Make sure na meron kayong sapin. Alright? The same thing, 3 to 4 set, 8 to 12 repetition. Right. Front raises. Gamit ang resistance band. Whew. Alright. Dagdagan pa natin ng isang band. Woo! Alright, so ganyan guys, no? Pwede pa natin dagdagan ng isa pang band. Kaya pa. Alright, sa pang band dagdagan natin. Alright guys, syempre pangatlo dyan, yung ating lateral raises guys. So, coming up next, lateral raises. Ganito yan. Lateral raises. Let's get it on. Alright, lateral raises for you guys. Go something like this. Yeah, no? Alright, the same thing. Now you can do this exercise for 3 to 4 set, and then of course 8 to 12 repetition guys. Okay. Woo! All right. Alright guys, that will be our... Alright guys, that's the day 1 exercise complete with resistance band training. That is the chest and shoulder workout. Thank you very much for watching guys. This is Mix D Pinoy Cowboy saying on exercising, and of course remember, health is wealth. Thank you very much. Paalam. Bye-bye.